Meaning of Flannery O'Connor.
Flannery O'Connor.
Flannery O'Connor.
Flannery O'Connor.
Flannery O'Connor. Flannery O'Connor was an American writer known for her Southern Gothic style of writing. Her stories often featured flawed and grotesque characters struggling with moral issues in a deeply religious, rural South. Despite her relatively short career due to her early death from lupus, she is widely regarded as one of the most important and influential writers of the 20th century. Her works include the novels Wise Blood and The Violent Bear It Away, as well as numerous short stories such as A Good Man is Hard to Find and Everything That Rises Must Converge.